So today we will see task type in MS project. So we have three different task types: fixed duration, fixed unit, and fixed work. Okay, and also we have effort driven. So these topics we will see one by one in MS project now. So for that I'm just going to take a blank project. So I'm just going to create some task, fixed duration. So fixed unit and fixed work. Okay, again I am just taking the same. So fixed duration, double click, and I'm just going to put effort driven. And fixed unit, I am just going for effort driven. So fixed work. Okay, for fixed work, no need. By default, it will be effort driven only. Okay, so I'm just deleting this. So I'm just going for 5 days, 5 days, 5, 5, and then 5. And I'm just going to click auto schedule, and I'm just going to link also. Okay, and after I'm just going for task and then information, and then in advanced tab we can able to select the task type, fixed duration, and click OK. And information, again I'm just going for advanced, and I'm just going for fixed unit. By default it will be fixed unit, and click OK. And I'm just again going for information. So in advanced tab, fixed work. So fixed work, it will be automatically effort driven, so we can't able to select also. So again for information, advanced tab, fixed duration, effort driven, and then click OK. And fixed unit, effort driven, click OK. Now we will create some resources. So I'm creating R1 and then R2 resource, and here I'm standard rate also I'm putting overtime rates, and I'm just going back to now I'm just going to select all the tasks, and again resource, assign resources, and I'm just going to select only first resource, and I'm just going to assign it. So now we have one resource for all tasks. Okay, now we will see one by one what we have in task usage. So here I also have a work column. So here I am just having fixed duration. If you change duration, project recalculates work. So fixed duration, just I am changing the duration. So project recalculates work. So again, if you change work, it will recalculate units. If I am just putting a 52 or a 60, so it will recalculate the everyday units. When you change the work, so the unit got changed. Okay, we can able to see the updates. So if you have fixed unit task type, if you change the duration, then work will change. So I'm just going to put a 8 days. So work also getting changed. So but if you change work, duration will change. So I'm just going for work. Again, I'm just going to put a 70. We can able to see obviously duration changing. Okay, but if you change unit, then work will be recalculated. So unit, in the sense you need to go for unit, and if you change a unit, so our work will be recalculated accordingly. For example, 15 hours here. So That's what I have when you change unit, and we can able to see the project recalculation of our work. So if it is like a fixed work task type, then we change duration, unit will change. So I'm just going to put 8 days. So we can able to see that how our units got distributed. So I'm just going to put a 10 here. We can able to see, like when you change duration, our units will be changed. So when you change unit, work will be changed. For example, here I am just going to put see, we can able to see how our work getting updated. But when we change work, duration will be changed. So work I am putting 80, we are getting change in our duration. So now we can able to refer this tabular column for easy calculations. Now we will see what is like effort driven for fixed duration and fixed unit, fixed work also. So fixed duration, if I am just assigning another resource, we can able to see like it is like a fixed duration. So the duration never change, but we can able to see like our work got splitted into 20 and 20. It is like a reducing. So each resource going to work only for 20 hours. That's what I have mentioned. Like if it is like a fixed duration, effort driven, selected, resource allocation reduces. So we are getting reduced resource. So here we can able to see. So fixed unit, effort driven, then we will see how it is. So assign resource, and then now we can able to see like it is like a fixed unit, effort driven, then we are getting less duration. That's what I have mentioned. It is like fixed unit, effort driven selected, task duration got reduced. Now we will see fixed work, effort driven. Like fixed work is normally effort driven only. So fixed work, you can just assign resource. Now we can able to see like a duration got reduced. So task duration will be reduced. So like this you can able to have task types, different task type, and also we can able to select the effort driven option. So in our MS Office project.